You left quietly, didn't say goodbye. Just stopped calling, stopped asking why. I replay us every night alone. You moved on, I stayed unknown. I don't hate you, I just feel used, like love was real, but only for you. You forgot me so easily. I remember you